Ever feel like your money's slipping through your fingers? Like you're throwing cash into a black hole and you have no idea where it's going? You're not alone. We've all been there. Maybe it's those sneaky subscriptions you forgot about, or the constant barrage of bills that just seem to pile up. The real question is, how do you take back control? How do you actually see where your money is going, and more importantly, how do you stop the leaks? Today, we're diving into a tool that promises to do just that, Rocket Money. You've probably seen the ads, heard the buzz, but where can you actually use it? Is it just hype, or can it genuinely help you get your finances in order? Let's find out. First, let's understand what Rocket Money is. Essentially, it's a personal finance app designed to help you manage your money, track your spending, and save more. It aggregates your financial accounts into one place, giving you a comprehensive overview of your financial health. But it's not just a fancy budget tracker. It aims to be your financial advocate, helping you negotiate bills, cancel unwanted subscriptions, and even build a better credit score. Now, let's get to the core of our question: where can you use Rocket Money? The answer is multifaceted, spanning a range of financial areas. 1. Subscription management. This is arguably one of Rocket Money's most popular features. In today's digital age, we're bombarded with subscriptions for everything from streaming services to online magazines to fitness apps. It's easy to lose track of what you're paying for, especially when those small monthly fees add up. Rocket Money scans your connected accounts and identifies recurring subscriptions. It presents them in a clear, easy-to-understand list, allowing you to see exactly what you're paying for and how much. But it doesn't stop there. With a few taps, you can cancel subscriptions directly through the app. No more navigating confusing websites or waiting on hold with customer service. Rocket Money acts as your intermediary, handling the cancellation process for you. This feature alone can save you a significant amount of money each month. 2. Bill negotiation. Another powerful feature of Rocket Money is its bill negotiation service. If you're paying too much for services like internet, cable, or phone, Rocket Money can negotiate on your behalf to lower your bills. They leverage their expertise and negotiating power to secure better rates, often without you having to lift a finger. This service is particularly useful for those who are uncomfortable negotiating or simply don't have the time. Rocket Money takes the stress out of the process, potentially saving you hundreds of dollars annually. It's important to note that this feature typically comes with a success fee, meaning they take a percentage of the savings they secure for you. However, if they don't save you money, you don't pay. 3. Budgeting and spending tracking. At its core, Rocket Money is a powerful budgeting tool. It connects to your bank accounts, credit cards, and other financial institutions, automatically categorizing your transactions. This gives you a clear picture of where your money is going, allowing you to identify spending patterns and areas where you can cut back. You can set custom budgets for different categories, such as groceries, entertainment, and dining out. Rocket Money will then track your spending against these budgets, alerting you when you're approaching or exceeding your limits. This proactive approach helps you stay on top of your finances and avoid overspending. 4. Net worth tracking. Understanding your net worth is crucial for long-term financial planning. Rocket Money provides a comprehensive overview of your net worth by aggregating your assets and liabilities. This includes your bank accounts, investments, loans, and credit card balances. By tracking your net worth over time, you can monitor your progress towards your financial goals and make adjustments as needed. This feature provides a holistic view of your financial health, giving you a better understanding of your overall financial position. 5. Credit score monitoring. Rocket Money also offers credit score monitoring, providing you with regular updates on your credit score and credit report. This feature helps you stay informed about your credit health and identify any potential issues that could impact your ability to secure loans or credit in the future. Furthermore, Rocket Money provides insights into the factors that are affecting your credit score, such as payment history, credit utilization, and credit age. This information empowers you to take steps to improve your credit score and build a stronger financial foundation. 6. Savings goals. Setting and achieving savings goals is a vital part of financial planning. Rocket Money allows you to create custom savings goals for various purposes, such as a down payment on a house, a vacation, or retirement. You can set target amounts and timelines, and Rocket Money will track your progress towards these goals. The app also offers automated savings features, such as setting aside a small amount of money each day or week. This automated approach makes it easier to save consistently, even if you don't have a lot of extra cash. 7. Financial insights and reports. Rocket Money provides detailed financial insights and reports, giving you a deeper understanding of your spending habits and financial trends. These reports can help you identify areas where you can save money and make more informed financial decisions. For example, you can see a breakdown of your spending by category, track your income and expenses over time, and compare your spending to previous periods. These insights empower you to take control of your finances and make positive changes. 8. Real-time alerts and notifications. Staying on top of your finances requires constant vigilance. Rocket Money provides real-time alerts and notifications to keep you informed about important financial events. This includes alerts for low balances, unusual transactions, and upcoming bills. These alerts help you avoid overdraft fees, late payments, and other costly mistakes. By staying informed, you can take proactive steps to manage your finances effectively. 9. Mobile accessibility. Rocket Money is a mobile-first app, meaning you can access it from anywhere, at any time. This mobile accessibility makes it easy to manage your finances on the go. Whether you're at home, at work, or traveling, you can stay connected to your finances and make informed decisions. The app is available for both iOS and Android devices, ensuring that you can access it regardless of your smartphone preference. 10. Security and privacy. When it comes to financial apps, security and privacy are paramount. Rocket Money employs industry-standard security measures to protect your data, including encryption and multi-factor authentication. They also adhere to strict privacy policies, ensuring that your personal information is kept confidential. It's important to remember that linking any financial account to a third party carries some inherent risk. Do your own research and make sure you understand the security measures that Rocket Money has in place. Beyond the app, it's crucial to remember that Rocket Money is a tool. Like any tool, its effectiveness depends on how you use it. It can provide valuable insights and automation, but ultimately, you're responsible for making sound financial decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.